Kukwarganito ya chaka senchera erejo bwikirano korwase county ya Nyamira awase abo bisabe semi kubwatrana ne kyombe kyoburendi litkurya rero baba kumerana n'abarokia banene abekskuru aime county ya Nyamira erigo kwanira igoro ya machikari arabega kubekwa sekskuru kubwatkana no kurwege susurogo cyase aborokiwa yanigago cya magega ye bikore binge kwenekiwa ase aborokia babeire bakorwa ege susuro asaborokiwa senchera etawenereti muri keito job mangi korwase county ya Nyamira na ikirana sayo na gutwarganira roboti urwa senchera erengikerano.
That is immoral. That is how I would describe it as an administrator and also
Maga yoko kina wekerengo kia borokiwa bago minche yeri chiko na gotikirwa chingoma chintindi ababwatani au kurwa segetago kyoborendi nechisemi nigo batwara ege ikaro kia bene na borokia abanene bechisukuru imeye county Nyamira ase sukuru yabamura ya kebirigo.
Following reports of increased corporal punishment in our schools, the regional security team led by the regional commissioner, we decided to hold sensitization meetings.
Ase aborokia ababanene basemiwa igoro echinchera chindonge chokoronge ya aborokiwa ekero bakolire amamocho buna okorwa obosemi bwa bene asomonwa wekenyamolero counseling unatoba tokwererwa no mo director wechisemi orogongo rwa Nyanza Nelson Sifuna
on the importance of using alternative means of discipline, and that is why we are here. And you have seen the agreement today. All of us stakeholders, we have said no to corporal punishment. Mainly we want to emphasize on counseling. Counseling is the way to go.
Regional Commissioner Orogongo rwa Nyanza Flora Mworoa nagi kelia ogoito kwa borokiwa mamincha yeri chiko.
We have had cases reported from Nyamira of corporal punishment, which is a big concern to us as security agents and also the Ministry of Education, because we are all aware that corporal punishment is outlawed in our country.
Asate ba egachia borokia bakolira mamocho bunaya baireirwe egetambokero naende magendre koirerwa egetambokerio.
Cases that have been reported and those teachers have been arraigned in court. I may not have the exact number of teachers who have been arraigned in court, because sometimes when one case is reported, it involves more than one teacher.
Narwa ekuro entindigo chia saboro kia abuo nagoteba ebikoro bunebi ebinde nebyo boso kumono.
Correct, that is immoral. That is how I would describe it as an administrator and also as a parent, because when we put our children in the hands of these teachers, we expect them to guide them, and if we have cases of defilement arising from teachers, then it's very unfortunate.
Kurwa sesukuri abamura ya kebirigo ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.